welcome to Gory-osities, episode
11.
Matt! Matt! What the fuck did you do to me, Doctor? What are you doing to me?
So, hello, Rotn viewers. Me and Tommy are here at the City of Chaos for their soft open. But it might be a soft open, but we're going in hard. We're going hard to this soft open. Isn't that right?
That's definitely right.
Tommy's hard at this soft open.
I'm tenting right now.
Oh, and here comes somebody else who I know is hard for this soft open. This dickbag.
Don't have no fear. The greatest green fucker is here.
The world ended not with fire or ice, but with silence. A deep, consuming void stretched its arms across the universe, unseen and uncaring. It was the absence of concern, the apathy of a world long since drained of its will to care. The earth hung in the balance, cities teeming with life that no longer noticed the sky darkening, the air thickening with something unknown. They had stopped looking, stopped asking, and in that stillness, the void whispered soft, subtle, like a sigh carried on the wind. It had no malice, no hunger. It simply was a creeping presence, seeping into the cracks of humanity's indifference, where the sharp edges of curiosity and concern had dulled. It began slow, almost imperceptible at first. The void reached through their ignorance, their obsession with trivialities. It grew, stretching over fields and forests, swallowing the seas whole. The earth itself did not shake. There were no earthquakes, no storms, no grand, catastrophic events to mark its end. Only the silence of things left unnoticed. The people carried on lives running on autopilot until there were no more lives to live. Until the streets lay empty, the skies without birds, the oceans without waves. They hadn't noticed their world disappearing bit by bit, as if shadows had taken residence in the corners of their vision, devouring everything just outside the focus of their eyes. And the void, it didn't rush or rage. It simply filled. It consumed without resistance, without question. There was no fight left in the earth, no spark of defiance, just the slow, inevitable erasure of all that once was. In the final moments, the void hovered over the last remnants of what had been humanity's home. But there were no last words, no cries of panic or despair. The earth gave way in a quiet exhale, as if it had grown tired. A planet that once thrummed with life was now a forgotten breath, lost in the endless void that had always been waiting. And when the last fragment of light blinked out, the void lingered, not in triumph or satisfaction, but in the simple, undeniable truth that nothing lasts forever. It wasn't a reckoning, it wasn't punishment, it was just the end.